So the breakouts have like started subsiding, which is incredible. I'm like, yes.
Oh, that's wonderful to hear.
The vitamin C for hyperpigmentation has literally been so life-changing for me. It has helped reduce my dark spots so much. That with the combination of, I'm so happy with the balm. It is just the perfect amount of moisture. And I use it every day at both like AM and PM. And I'm like, oh, that stuff is wonderful. It's like the Holy Grail. So, so I love it. That and the exfoliation has been so good at, it's gentle but effective. And I know I say that all the time. And I think I mentioned this, how I had like a cyst. And so it was just really like gentle and, just exfoliate, and it was right here. And I'm like, wow, like this really helped like bring the cyst down, like helped with the cystic acne.
Oh, that's so awesome to hear. And that's the cool thing about with Odacité products is that they are gentle, but they are effective. And that is two of the key points, like with any of our products, that we want to make sure that we do not lose the efficacy of the products by making them too gentle, but we also don't want to disrupt the skin's mantle barrier by making something that is too strong for the skin. And I am so happy to hear that you are noticing a difference in the breakouts, in the hyperpigmentation, because I know that those were two of your bigger concerns going into this journey. The difference is there. And that's within 30 days. And generally, yes, you can see a difference with 30 days, but some people, it takes like up to 60 days. So I was just blown away by it. And I shared it with the team. I was like, look at the difference here. Since we do have just the one more session after this, I did want to tell you that we are going to be doing something else for you. As a little thank you for participating in this campaign and for entrusting us to help you build your best skin ever. We are actually going to be sending you a little wellness care package. And again, these are just tips for you while you're going on your way, even though I'll still be here to help you. Valerie is still here if you do have any questions, but these will just kind of help to really finish off your journey with us. And again, empower you as you go on for the rest of the year, for the rest of your life, of how you can empower yourself to take care of yourself.
Oh my God, I'm like speechless. I was not expecting that. This is incredible. So I just owe so much like gratitude and love, and I'm just like blown away like for how much you and Valerie have done for me. So just thank you.
It sounds to me like what we've taught you along this journey, that you were able to take that and empower yourself to take that moving forward, even as this campaign is coming to a close. So yeah. I'm so happy that we were able to give you that empowerment, because as I mentioned last week, you are worthy.
It is so incredible. I love that you said that, because I am worthy of like taking care of myself, of like having beautiful skin, of feeling good. I am good enough and deserving of all of those things. And so you and Valerie teaching me that and giving me the tools too. So I'm so grateful to you both for this campaign. It's been incredible.